Okay, I'm gonna explain here how you can actually take the information from the report question that Dr. Lee posted and do the regression analysis. As I told you in the other video, you have hours of education and sick leaves or sick days for 20 different employees. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to copy this list and go to Excel and click on the corner here like this, so everything is highlighted, and then paste. You might get this message, okay. It would look a little bit funny because the way he posted the information not very good. So what I want you to do is maybe delete the first three columns A, B, and C. So you highlight them, right click, delete. You see after you delete them, now delete the middle column here. So you're only gonna have the numbers left. So you can just highlight the numbers. I'm gonna just move them to a new position, like here maybe. Delete these. I just want it to be in a clean position. Now this one was for the hours, so I'm gonna call it hours. This one for the sick days. Now, as I said in the video, this would be your Y and this would be your X. In order to use the Excel feature for statistics, you need to add it. So you go to File, then you go Options, Add-ins, and then Go, and you select the first two. They already selected here because I already added the feature, and once you select them both, you hit OK. I'm not gonna do it, I already did that. So once you do this, you'll have the Excel feature. So you go to Data. On the right corner, you see Data Analysis. You click on it. One of the options would be Regression. So you click on Regression. For the Y input, we said sick days is your Y, so you're gonna highlight your Y. And your input for X, it would be hours, so I'm gonna highlight hours here. I'm gonna say, since I selected the name hours and the same and the name sick leave, so I have to indicate that labels were selected. And once I hit OK, it will show me everything I need. And I talked about this in the previous video. You need to know your R and R squared. You need to know your intercept and slope to establish the equation. So all you need to do is, maybe if you change the way it looks a little bit, you could do something like, you could highlight it and go and maybe change it to times, change the size to 12, and make it so that maybe these numbers, instead of showing 5 numbers after the decimal, you can do it so that they show only 4 numbers after the decimal or something. So if you highlight them, you go here, you can show 3 numbers, 4 numbers, and you can do this for all of these numbers. You can bold some of them, or bold the ones you're going to actually talk about, the ones I said, the R and R squared. So make it look different so you guys have different output. It will eventually be the same numbers for everybody. Once you do this, you highlight this whole thing, you copy it, you go and paste it where you're supposed to in the report. This is how you do the Excel part. Thank you.